Welcome everybody. Today we're gonna play extreme car driving. It's a cool game. And my brother says Duolingo is Kesku. Like what the hell is a Kesku? Okay, so my brother says Duolingo is green and green is Kesku. Kesku code. Oh, oh, I'm talking. Oh, what circle? Shut up. Shut up, I say. Shut up. Oh, what do you mean? No. Come to drive. My game is laggy. I need XPs and E's. They're actually called the boards and gold. But I don't care. I call them XPs and E's. Because they literally say XP and E. Shut up, man. I'm going to the airport. No, I already know where I'm going. I'm scared. But move, man. Move. Oh, we made it to the airport. But first move and grab this E. Well, I'm tired of this wagon. It's freaking perfect. I can't even swear because I'm putting this on YouTube and YouTube will hate me. I know I make construction videos, but this is my only good one that I started. Loading zone. Hello? Hello? Anyone? Oh. What's that? What's that sound? 80? I don't care. I'm going 100. Perhaps 200. Wow, crashed way too many times. Welcome to Ryan. Bro, turn! Bro! You little bass. Okay, I'm not completely. Shoot. Okay, I saw them trade multiple times. As you were spinning. Woo! Yeah! There's a big circle. Right? Okay, no. No, bro! What? Finally. Skip. That's the best part about it. Skipping that. I got it, but it's super lag. Come on, man. I was hopping you up. You know what? No, I don't care. Bye, guys. Okay, I don't care about this game.